Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss what is Solution Challenge and how you can participate in Solution Challenge. So let's begin. Solution Challenge is a kind of hackathon which is organized by GDG on campus in collaboration with Hacker Skills. And this hackathon is being organized for student developers from various colleges or universities across India who are part of a GDG on campus program. It is very important to note that for participating in Solution Challenge, you must be part of a GDG on campus program. It is an opportunity for you to tackle pressing issues using Google developer technologies. So here you will not only gain invaluable skills, but you will also contribute in making a positive impact on the society. So what is the theme for this challenge? So the theme for this challenge is aligned for the social good. Solution Challenge revolves around solving real-world problems using Google developer technologies. So here you will focus on leveraging AI and other technologies to address real-world issues. So as we have already discussed that only GDG campus chapter students can participate, but let's see in more depth. So if in your college a GDG on-campus club exists, then you're eligible to participate under your chapter. But if in your college the GDG on-campus chapter doesn't exist, then you can contact your nearby organizer of the nearby college and you can participate under their organizing chapter. Now, why should you participate in Solutions Challenge? By participating in Solution Challenge, you will get an opportunity to tackle real-world issues, an opportunity to network with like-minded people, upskill and build your solutions for changing the real world around you, and you will also get recognition for each and every stage you achieve. So what are the registration guidelines and criteria for the participation? So participants have to register individually and then later they can form a team of up to 4 members and there should be minimum 2 members in a team. A participant can only participate through a one single team. They cannot be a part of multiple teams. The participant must be 18 years or older to be eligible to participate and they should be enrolled in any university or college of India. So in Solution Challenge, you get exciting campaign prizes and rewards. So there is a cash prize worth of rupees 8 lakh rupees which will be divided into many parts. The winner will get 2 lakh rupees, the first runner-up will have 1 lakh 50,000 rupees and the second runner-up will get 1 lakh 25,000 rupees. Here we have also two special categories of 75,000 each. Now let's see how the registration phase looks like. So as we have already discussed that you have to register as an individual and then you have to choose your problem statement. Now, unlike other hackathons where problem statements are already given, here you have an opportunity or a chance to choose between problem statement. Either you can choose the problem statement which is mentioned on the website of Solutions Challenge or you can also bring your own problem statement. Then the third step is that you have to create your developer profile. We will also discuss how you can create a developer profile in the same video at the end. And the fourth step is that you have to verify your GDG on campus chapter and then later you have to form a team of up to 4 members. So what is the timeline for the campaign? So the campaign is going to look somewhat like this and the timelines may be changed. So you can refer this and decide whether you have to participate or what you will do. So in Solutions Challenge, you will get certificate for your participation at every stage you achieve. You will get certificates for every milestone you ever achieve. You will get certificate for participation, certificate for successful project submission, certificate if you get shortlisted in top 100 teams, and certificate if you get shortlisted in top 10 teams. I hope you have already heard this exciting news that GDG is organizing exclusive offline bootcamps for participants who register in Solution Challenge. So if not, you hear it now. So Solution Challenge bootcamps are happening in person across multiple cities in India and here you will get an offline training by Google experts and you will also get a whole lot of hands-on learning your way. So the only condition for you to participate in these bootcamp is that you must be registered participant of Solution Challenge. So the list of cities have already been discussed and the dates have been announced. Though the dates might change in future and you will get updates of all this through mails. But you have to remember that the only condition for you to be eligible to participate in this campaign is that you must register for Solution Challenge. So now let us see how you can actually register for Solution Challenge. As we have already discussed, that there are two phases of registrations. The first is that you have to build your or make your developer profile link, and second is that you have to register. So when you will register, they will ask you to submit your developer profile link. So here we will divide the registration phase into two categories. First, we will develop our developer link, and second, we will register to the website. So let's see how you can do this. For making a developer profile, you have to first visit developers.google.com, and then you have to sign in with your Google account, and you have to fill your basic details as they will prompt you, and then you have to complete your profile. Now, the important thing here to be noted is that please remember that your profile of developer profile and the profile which you will use for registering in Solution Challenge must be same. You should use the same email for creating your developer profile as well as for registering for the Solution Challenge. So let's see. So here we are. Let's search developers.google.com. So yeah, this is the website and you have to register here. You have to go through these three dots and then you have to start. You can come at my profile and you can select join today. So here you have to select your name, fill the basic information, select your profession, click on next. So you can select whatever you are interested in. And then you can click on next. And this is optional. If you want, you can. So here I'm selecting it and then click on finish. So this interface might not be same for everyone if you have already been a part of this developer profile. So yeah, you can see. So we have created our profile successfully. Now it is important to remember that by default your profile will be private and then you have to make it public. So let's do that. Click on settings and here it is private. As you can see, so change settings. So we are making the profile public. And then we can here customize our own web address. And the web address which you will choose here, you have to make sure that you paste the same link while registering. You will see how we'll do that. So you can choose anything. I'm writing my own name. So it says that it already exists. So let's go with copy. So okay, I can use this. So let's click on save. Here you will get a notice that you can't change this for next 30 days. You can say yes. So yeah, your changes have successfully made. You can just refresh this page. Come to profile again. And you can see that your profile is public now. And this is the link which we will need when we will fill the registration form for Solution Challenge. So just copy this link and let's move forward for the next registration phase. At this stage, we have successfully created our developer profile. Now let's see how we can register for Solutions Challenge. So you can either scan this QR code or you can use the link present in the description box to register. Let's move forward and see how we can register. So here we are on the landing page of Solution Challenge and let's register now. So here you will get an option to register now. Click on that button. And then continue with Google. Remember to use the same Google account. So here you can see we have entered this main thing. You can see that you will not be able to edit your entries. So please be careful while you enter the personal information in this form. So yeah, we have followed these all steps. We have created our developer profile link. Now you can join the GDG chapter, but we are already part of our chapter. So let's move forward. So we don't have an option to change our email address. You can edit your name if you want to. And then later you can enter your number. So my alternate mobile number is same as my WhatsApp number. Now you have to make sure that you are part of your GDG community, which means that you have joined your chapter page. So these people will make sure and they will tally that you are part of a GDG chapter. So please, if you are not, you can visit our chapter page and join this chapter. So you have to, by default, get your country as India, select your state. and then your city, your date of birth, your gender. Here you can paste your LinkedIn URL if you want to, it's not compulsory. And here you have to enter our chapter name, that's MGM's College of Engineering, Nanded. Chapter state is Maharashtra, chapter city is Nanded. So degree you are pursuing, you can enter that. The stream, your pass out year, and developer profile link which we made. Okay, so we copied that. Now we will paste it. Paste that link. You can see. Now click on this checkbox and click on register now. Click on register now. Proceed. And you have successfully registered for Solutions Challenge. You can see that this module is closing in this hour, and these are forms you will get. You get a chance to earn a badge that you have your developer profile link. So this is all. We have successfully registered for Solutions Challenge. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to us through comments or our WhatsApp community. Thank you. Do like and share this video with your friends.